Mas pepalawak na ning Pampanga Press Club o PPC kayang advokasya ang Mamie Journalism Workshop para karaing kayanakan kapamilataning free journalism lecture at training. Kendarata nga March 14 iyang pangnening PPC ka partner ing Kapitolyo ning Pampanga ing patingapon na journalism workshop. Kanapan yung whole day training manibat 9 a.m. hanggang 3 p.m. king PDRRMC Training Hall king Provincial Engineers Office, Barangay Sindalan, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Makabuklat yung programa, kareng kayanakan, aburing luban, ing industriya ning media at digital journalism. Ituro keti in basic news writing para king junior at senior high school students. Para naman kareng college students at out of school youth, iyang panging online reporting gamit ing mobile phone photography at basic photography. Limitado yaking siya 50 partisipante balang topic ing tanggapan king workshop. Kapag nasaning inisyatiba na ituro o hiyasa ing writing skills, visual storytelling at responsabling pamangamit ning digital platforms king pamagreport. Malyari nang magparehistro manibat February 11 hanggang March 6, 2026 at mamiling metong at topic keti. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.